Hello everyone, welcome to HTML text formatting. Our goal for today's lesson is to figure out how you can make your text look more dynamic, right? What if you want a text bold? What if you want it underlined, italic, And that's what we're gonna figure out today. Okay, I'm going to introduce to you the most common basic text formatting tags, and then we'll have a little demonstration. B for bold, strong for important, I for italic, M for emphasize, and mark for marked. It's very easy to memorize all of this, and if you use them, a few times, they'll become natural to you. Small for smaller, del for delete, ins for inserted, sub for subscript, and sub for superscript. I just want to mention that none of these are empty tags, so you do need to have a start or beginning tag and then an end tag. And the text in between those two tags are the ones that you want to modify. Okay, so let's have a little demonstration. I'm going to boot up my Visual Studio Code. We already have some tags that we had in lesson number 8. I'm going to link lesson number 8 above. And this is what we're working with. So let's make this text a little bit more dynamic. First is the bold. I'm going to put this in bold. Okay. And then next is italic. Let's have this one be strong, so we can see the difference between bold and strong. And then emphasize. I want to see the difference between italic and emphasize. Then marked. Let's make this whole sentence marked. Remember to Control S to save occasionally. And next up is small. Let's go down here. Let's go for small. And del for delete. And then ins for inserted. And let's see, we'll make this sub for subscript. And then we'll make this one superscript. Okay, Control S to save and see what our website looks like. And it's very simple, very easy. You can experiment around and see what you like, what you don't like. And there's not a lot of memorization. There's not a lot of things you need to, understand. It's just very simple. Let's go through it one more time. Bold, important, italic, emphasize, mark, small, deleted, inserted, subscript, and superscript. Thank you for being with me here today. Remember to click that like and subscribe button. See you next time. Remember, learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.